Welcome back to Money Sense. In my previous episode on the formula of saving money under the series 1 million peso challenge in investing in stock market and or mutual fund, I talked about how to save money first before diving into investing in stocks or mutual fund. This time, we'll discuss how to make 1 million in stock market and or mutual fund. Before we delve into this topic, let me remind you that investing in stock market or even in mutual fund is a very risky business if you don't know how to do it. That's why I recommend that you watch the series 1 million peso challenge in investing in stock market and or mutual fund from the beginning. The link is available in the description. So, do you want to become a millionaire? Who aren't? Well, everybody does. But knowledge must come beforehand or else you'll do it in the most ridiculous way. Let's start by doing this in mathematics. Oops, don't worry. I will not be using algebra here. Just a simple MDAS operation. Since we already know our goal and that is to make 1 million, let me show you a simple example. If you get to save 1 million by 1 peso per day, how many times do you think it is? Obviously, the answer is 1 peso a day equals 1 million times. Easy, right? However, that amount of time is too long to save a million. So, what would you do? Simple. You just have to increase the amount of your savings. Say, instead of 1 peso, let's increase it by 10 pesos a day. Now, we get 10 pesos a day equals 100,000 times. You can even lower the number of times by increasing it even more. Let's go further. If you save 100 a day, now you get 100 a day equals 10,000 times. Cool, right? Now, you need only 10,000 times to make your first million. But still, it's way too long to save 1 million. What if we increase it even more? Say, 1,000 a day. That would be 1,000 times only. Wow, we're almost there. But the question is, can you save 1,000 pesos a day for 30 days? I don't think so. Because if you do, you're rich by now and don't need to watch nor hear what I'm saying on this video. Let's be more practical and realistic. Instead of saving every day, let's do it monthly. Say, you can save 1,000 pesos a month. How many years do you think you can make 1 million? It's 1,000 per month equals 83.3 years. Oh my, 83.3 years? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not. That's the reality. You need 83.3 long years to make your first million by saving 1,000 pesos a month. So, is there a better solution? Let's go down further. Say, this time, you want to save 3,000 pesos a month. That would be 3,000 pesos per month equals 27.7 years. Oh yeah, you're almost there. But it's still way too long. Hello? 27.7 years? That's why so many people are not keen on saving money because this is what they knew. It's simple mathematics. Even if you save 5,000 pesos per month, it would take 16.6 years to make a million. For most of us, this is lengthy too. And truly, time is your number one enemy here. To shorten the time, even if you save 10,000 pesos a month, it would take you 8.3 years to be a millionaire. And unfortunately, at this time, it's impossible to save this amount monthly, even if you are earning 20,000 pesos a month from your salary. Taking half of it is a pain in your monthly expenses. So now, is there any better solution? The answer is a big yes. Let's talk about savings in the bank and investing in stock market. First, let us discuss the benefits of saving your money in the bank. As you may know, the interest rate of your money saved in bank is as low as 0.25%. Let's calculate how much time you need to make 1 million in the bank. I didn't include the interest on the data above to simplify the process. As you can see, it took 30 years to reach 1 million in your 3,000 pesos savings every month. 18 years for 5,000 pesos, 9 years for 10,000 pesos, and 4.5 years for 20,000 pesos. Why did I intend to include this in my discussion? Because there are people who wants to play safe most of the time. They simply doesn't want to take the risk because for them, stock market investment is a risky business. That is absolutely true, and I agree 100% if you do not know the secret. For most of them, their maxim is, it's better to save our hard-earned money in the bank than losing it in the stock market in just a snap of fingers. And that is happening right now. According to TradingView.com, PSEI is already down by 34.84% since July of 2019. So, if you invest last year, say 1 million pesos, your money as of April 25 will be down to more or less 651,600 pesos. Only if you invest the whole amount last year and did not invest it gradually. Even worse, the market was down by 44.81% last March 23 and it luckily bounced back on March 24. But still, you cannot say 100% sure that it will recover anytime soon nor it will drop again. As of the time of this video, PECI was down again by 8% since its highest peak last April 15. Since no one can time the market, what are you going to do now? All you need is watch this video until the end because I will show you the secret formula. Since we have already discussed how you can make 1 million in the bank, let's discuss a better solution to speed up the process of accumulating 1 million. Before that, I'd like to compare the two important words in stock market, investing versus trading. For my own viewpoint, investing is the safest way to make money on stock market by gradually building your wealth over an extended period of time through buying and holding of stocks and or mutual fund. While trading is a risky business because it involves buying and selling of stocks frequently. Although, for some, especially seasoned traders, they are expert and has access to big data while can generate more revenue than investors. While investors are happy with its annual returns of 10% to 15%, traders can maximize its return of up to 20% to 30% monthly. That is exactly why there are so many beginners, even traders who are already in this business for so long, yet failed to accumulate fortune in stock market. We cannot deny that there are some who can outsmart the stock market, but there were only few of them. That's why in this video, I am very much interested to teach you on investment rather than on trading. Let me show you how you can make 1 million in stock market or mutual fund depending on the amount of money you invest and the time horizon you select. Here it is. Let's compare the time you invest in bank. As you can see, it took only 13 years in stock market or mutual fund to reach 1 million on 3,000 pesos monthly investment than 30 years in the bank. Take time to compare the other amount and the time horizon you want to build your fortune. Surely, this is not a rich quick scheme in accumulating your fortune, but this is still by far the safest and easiest way. The only thing you need is self-discipline and the objective to invest monthly until you reach your desired goal. So, what is the secret formula in investing? Invest consistently every month, choose your time horizon, and choose only blue chip stocks. In short, monthly investment plus number of years plus blue chip stocks equals fortune. Still not convinced? Here's another proof that can support this theory. In the graph, since 1987, the price of the whole index of PSE is at 521.64. Today's price is at 5,464.98, even at the time of pandemic or recession. Do you know how much is the growth of the index fund? 1,143%. Yeah, that's 1,143% since 1987, 30 years after. I hope that you learned something from this video. If you have question, just comment below and I'll try my best to answer it during my free time. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel so you'll get notified once I upload another video. Happy investing! Bye bye!